Hello, here's my demonstration for this week's enhancement. My account link does not work in the index.php, so I wasn't able to figure that out. Maybe you can check my code once I submit it and help me with that. I'm sorry for missing that. But everything else should work. So if I click on the logo, it takes me to home. If I click on my account, it takes you to login. You can enter client password here and log in. Of course, it doesn't log in now. And if the client doesn't have an account, they can create an account, and here is the form for that. And they can register here, which is still not available. I was able to figure out, test the controller in order for it to show me the navigation. I'm not sure if you need to see that, but for now I'm just gonna validate the HTML. It does have a couple of errors. It tells me that the main element can't be descendants of the section element, but I needed the section so that I could get the background white for the body. And yeah, a couple warnings and the same error for the fonts. Here's a CSS. In my account, my account, let's see, the HTML, here it is, same errors as the homepage. And in registration, same errors as the other two. So yeah, I don't know what you have to say about this one error. I really don't know what else to do, how else to make it work with the white background without the section added. So yeah, here it is, and thank you so much. And I hope I can figure out how to connect my account link to the action pair. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.